Welcome back subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we stumble into an abandoned petrol station. But it also could be a plumbing supply place as well. Your guess is as good as mine.
How old are these Bowsers? It can't be that old. I'm not even sure how long this service station's been out of business. I think it's more than just a service station. I think it's also a mechanic's workshop. But it's been closed for quite some time. Mortimer Petroleum. Now there are quite a number of entry points to this garage, or petrol station, or gas station, depending where you're from. And as you can see, there's a gaping big hole. We'll have a look, see what we find. Now, as we can see, there's definitely no roof to this place. I'd imagine this has been closed for quite a number of years. Look, at one stage, I guess, they had intentions to updating it, which is quite interesting, and it was most likely going to be a Shell service station. So there's a bit of a drop here. I'll just find my footing and we'll turn back on the camera so I don't fall over. So here we are on the inside of the gas station and mechanic's workshop. And surprise, surprise, as you just saw a few minutes ago or a few seconds ago, you've got a petrol bowser that's quite modern, trailers, scissor lift. Way back in the distance, you've got a bus. Now, it looks like someone made an attempt to do something with it. It's a big area. Maybe there's just not enough business for a service station in this town. We'll have a look at this bus. And once again, if you're coming into these sort of locations, you know, don't touch anything. It doesn't belong to you. As you can see, access is available to pretty much anyone. There is no power. I don't know if you can see that well, but all the large fuses have been removed. And here's your bus. It looks like a motorhome of some sort. Someone must have owned it at one stage. It's a bit long in the tooth. There's a shipping container. Let's see what the brand is of this sucker. It used to be plugged in, there's some wires around, and she's a Bedford. It's just a sad thing that when businesses close down, there's no one there to take over and look after it. Don't know what the circumstances are with why it's closed down. Could it be everything from the person retiring? Could have gone bankrupt during COVID, no idea. The cobwebs you see, I don't know if you can see that around that wheel, is quite evident to suggest that it's been not moved in quite a number of years. But it is a nice camper van, I guess. It's one of those ones where you've got to put in a lot of money to try to fix it, but then who owns it and who do you contact to see if they're interested in selling? So there you go, this is an abandoned petrol station / garage. I'm in a rural country town. It looks like someone was trying to do some petitioning here. Maybe set up an office space or some workspace, or put up some walls or something. It's even got a sign there for plumbing supplies. I don't know if you can see that directly in the middle of the screen. There's no running water, there's no electricity. Here's your bathroom. So there you go. Interesting. I wonder if Leader Access Hire are aware that their scissor lift is in this building. Now these petrol bowsers, I can only assume are not cheap. I don't know if you lease them off Shell or you have to buy them off Shell if you're using their products. But yeah, anyway, so there you go. I just thought I'd stop. I don't normally come across empty petrol or gas stations. This might give away where I'm at, but this is a little plaque on the posting box or the letterbox. It states this was the last street posting box in Dunolly. It was decommissioned and donated to the Goldfields Historical and Art Society in October 1993. I do love the pull handle. I bet you the posties used to hate this because it's right down the bottom. You've got to really bend down to access all the letters.
So here we are nearing the end of this video or presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, by all means click on that like button or that thumbs up icon. Please consider subscribing. Subscribing doesn't cost you 1 cent, but it helps out the channel immensely. Most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.